Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salamu ala Rasulillah. Welcome to An-Nahl Academy. Today, vegetable exhibition is going on here, and you'll like it, inshallah. We'll give you an overview. The students have come from a different year group, and they have prepared different kind of vegetables. They have cooked it, and also they have brought some of the raw foods, and we'll see, inshallah, how they have made it. Cooked vegetables, as you see here, and also the raw vegetables, MashaAllah. Let's see what they have brought. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. What are you selling?
Vegetables.
Vegetables. What's this one?
Malabar Spanish.
Yes. This is really cute. How much is this?
20.
Very nice.
I'm selling taro stem and cucumber.
How much is this?
This is for you 10 taka, and this is it's 10 taka per piece.
MashaAllah. As you see, these foods are really fresh, and see how they actually packed it. It's really nice. Walaikum assalam. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. I'm Rizwan Kabir from year 6B, and I am selling taro leaves pakora.
Oh, nice. Thank you. How much? Oh, you have already sold so many of them. Only one left. How much is this?
5 taka per piece.
5 taka per piece. Oh, this is really reasonable. Nice, mashallah. And
at An-Nahl Academy, we do such type of exhibitions very often. Pupils are engaging their entrepreneurship skills by engaging themselves in such exhibition.
This is Mama Sifa speaking, and as you can see, I'm selling vegetable hotspots, and this is like really. I'm selling vegetable pakora and chicken vegetable roll. This one is 10 taka and this one is 25 taka, but you can take it for like 20 taka. I am selling French fry and salad.
My name is Habib. This is a vegetable with noodles, and I'm selling 45 taka. Walaikum assalam. I'm fine. I have bought today's Chinese vegetable salad that costs 20 taka per plate.
Alhamdulillah. I'm selling vegetable roll.
so you are from which year?
5B.
You are 5. Mashallah. What are you selling?
Chicken vegetable.
كما رأيتم في الفيديو نحن نقدم لأطفالنا التعلم بهذه الطريقة. So this is our girls section, so please come. We want to see that. কি এনেছেন দেখেন তো একটু আমাকে.
Vegetable.
Say the food name.
Salam.
কি এনেছেন দেখি.
Pakora. Alur pakora.
সোল্ড হয়েছে. কতগুলি সোল্ড হয়েছে?
10-15.
MashaAllah. You earn this money? You earn this money? MashaAllah. You earn this money, right?
Yes.
MashaAllah. So how much?
I don't know. I haven't count.
Small stall June. So here is the EYFS stall basically. So please come. I want to show this video.
We are teaching our students business from very early age.
Assalamu alaikum. What's your name?
My name is Fatima.
Which class you study?
I started in here.
So please tell me your product name.
My product name is soup. Vegetable soup.
MashaAllah. And this?
This is my halwa.
How much?
$10.
10 taka. One
Yes.
each.
Yes.
Any other?
Assalamu alaikum.
Please give me your product name.
This is mochar chop and this is nalakuchi shaker chop.
This
I don't know this.
sold হয়েছে কতগুলো?
In this type of program, we welcome all the people from inside and outside.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
What is this?
Roll.
roll.
Vegetable roll.
Vegetable roll. How much? One piece?
20.
20. This is our very small June. So, okay, MashaAllah.
Thank you so much for watching the video. As you've seen in this video that our students were presenting vegetables, they were communicating with the people, they were selling it, and so they're learning different kind of skills at the same time, like communication skills, business skills, and then teamwork and many more. We're inviting you at An-Nahl Academy. Please visit us and see how they're doing here, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.